Looking for the best toaster oven to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. The Cuisinart TOB-260N1. Our top toaster oven is the Cuisinart TOB-260N1. It's versatile, fast, and not too expensive. The best-rated toaster oven, with the most versatility, the right price and the correct interior space is the Cuisinart TOB-260N1. It's slightly edged out the Breville Smart Oven Pro for a few reasons. We're confident this can be the best toaster oven 2018 and 2019. Check price. The TOB-260N1 provides the best all-around experience and is at the right price. First off, it heats up quicker despite its larger interior space, 0.95 versus 0.8 cubic feet. And while a minute or so may be moot to some, it's still a consideration, especially if you're hungry and want to start and stop your cooking so you can eat your meal already. Second, the interior space of the Cuisinart TOB-260N1 was a big factor. Why? Because it's large enough to fit a 9x13 baking pan. During our research, we baked a cake inside of the Cuisinart and had great results. It was perfectly cooked on the outside but moist on the inside. Cooking time was also a few minutes less than what the packaging suggested, which in our book is a plus. Unfortunately, the Breville just isn't wide enough to fit a 9x13 pan, and nor is the Panasonic FlashXpress, needless to say. And I should note that the Cuisinart can toast up to 9 pieces of bread at the same time, whereas the Breville 6 pieces and the FlashXpress 4. Also, with Cuisinart, you can customize the number of slices of toast to make, from 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, or 7 to 9. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Pro. The Smart Oven Pro could have taken the top spot, but it's pricey and doesn't fit a 9x13 pan. If you're looking for comparable performance to the Cuisinart, with a slight drawback in interior space, but you're willing to part with your hard-earned cash for a nicer machine with a better fit and finish, the Breville Smart Pro is the way to go. Check price. The Breville is premium, pricey, but it looks great and functions in a commensurate fashion. If it weren't for the Breville's smaller interior space compared to that of the Cuisinart, the Breville would take the cake. However, not being able to fit a 9x13 pan is an almost non-starter in our book. However, with it you do get a smaller footprint, which means less counter space being sucked up. The Breville toaster oven with convection is also aesthetically nicer all around, though you might have to look closer to see the differences. While both the top two machines have a stainless steel finish, the Breville's fit and finish is much more premium. Number 3. Panasonic FlashXpress. The FlashXpress is perfect for small kitchen and those that are largely looking to reheating food. Enter the toaster oven that sometimes feels a bit like a microwave. And I mean that in the most positive of senses. How? The FlashXpress is exceptional at heating up food. Cold pizza? No problem. Within a few minutes a slice or two can be returned to crispy perfection. Because the FlashXpress utilizes both far and near infrared, it heats up ultra quick when compared to the aforementioned two. Just take a look at the preheat times in our below chart. A large part of this can be attributed to the toaster oven's light button, which is in fact a heat source. Push it and you'll feel what is instantaneous heat. No warm-up time. In fact, the light cycles on and off in just about any setting. Check price. The FlashXpress a top pick for reheating and toasting. It's also great for small kitchens. The FlashXpress also wins big in the compact category. It's about half the size than the other top two toaster ovens, which also partially explains its ability to heat up so quickly and do such a great job reheating food. And don't get me wrong, it's also a decent toaster. And as you've probably figured at this point, it was the fastest at producing toast. However, as you can see in the above photo, it lacks heat closer to the door of the toaster oven. Number 4. The Oster TSSTTVMNDG-001. The Oster TSSTTVMNDG-001 countertop oven is a great budget buy as it costs just $79.99. Also researched in our kitchen after an exhaustive search was the Hamilton 31128 and the Oster TSSTTVMNDG-001 toaster ovens. Both are very much budget options, and we'd be remiss not to test the other end of the price spectrum. Check price. The Oster is the best toaster oven if you're on a budget under $100. During our research, I found that both were decent at toasting toast. However, neither are anything to get excited about, largely because of their build quality, look and altogether no pizzazz operation. But again, they're both in the sub $100 range, so it's fitting. So what's our ultra budget recommendation or the best toaster oven under $100? The Oster TSSTTVMNDG-001 toaster oven. Let's just ignore the model number and focus on the positive things, at least for now. The Oster is $79.99, and compared to our top 3 picks, it's a steal. Why? It's versatile thanks to its large capacity and preheat times that are on par with our top 2 picks. We cooked a full-on chicken, amongst a few other items in this toaster oven, and had fairly positive results. Fold into the fact that it can get hotter on a bake setting, albeit marginally, than the Breville and Cuisinart, and you might ask why this toaster oven didn't rank higher. Well, for starters, how it feels well represents its price. The buttons, which are of the touch ilk, have not tactile response. The crumb tray is cheap and flimsy, and the seal, to keep heat in, is lacking. There is also no preheat tone despite there being a bakelite that blinks as if it will emit a noise or go from flashing to steady, but alas, it never does.